Okay. Hello everyone. Today our group Classroom 2 will present our project titled KKUIC Student Certification with AI Chatbot for Learning. Please, next slide please. Okay, and this is our member. Okay, and next slide please. Okay, so this study investigated the level of certification among students at KQSC toward the use of AI chatbot as learning tools. As AI technology become more common in education, it is important to understand how students and perceive use tools in their academic life. To collect data, we use a survey by Google Form, and we focusing on student vacancy of AI chatbot usage, preferred AI platform, and the purpose for which they use AI, such as explaining concept, uh, language translation, homework support, and exam preparation. The findings show that most students regularly use AI chatbot to support their learning, and ChatGPT and Gemini were the most popular platform among respondents. In addition, many students report that AI chatbot help them better understand, listen, and improve their learning efficiency. Overall, this research provides useful insights for educators and institutions in understanding how AI tools can be integrated more effectively into higher education. Next slide, please. Hello. Next slide, please.
Next, I'm gonna talk about introduction of AI chatbot and university student. First, I'm gonna talk about tools like ChatGPT and Claude or Gemini are now a big part of student life, used for summarizing, reading, writing essay, and solving student people. But the question is, are students actually certified? Which tool do they prefer, and does AI really help academically? This study survey KUAC students to find out the goal is to help the introduction make better decision about how AI should be used in education because AI isn't going anywhere. So let's make sure we are using it the right way. Next slide, please.
Okay, so this is our photo proof. Next slide, please. And this is a sample size. Our target population is university international student. And for sample, we have 52 people. And for data collection, we use Google Form. Next slide, please. This survey 52 students from KQIC, mainly aged 19 to 20, using a Google Form questionnaire about AI chatbot usage in education. The questionnaire asks about demographic, frequency of AI use, preferred platform, purpose of using AI, and satisfaction levels. The response were analyzed to identify patterns and understand how AI helps improve learning efficiency and academic performance. Next slide, please. This slide shows a copy of our questionnaire used in this research. The questionnaire was created using Google Forms and include questions about students, demographic, AI usage, perform platforms, and satisfaction with AI chatbot for learning. The question include both multiple choice questions and rating scale to collect clear and detailed response from participants. Next slide, please. Okay, next slide, please.
So this slide shows the gender distribution of 52 respondents. Male participants make up 51.9%, while females account for 48.1%. The numbers are really close, showing a balanced representation of both genders in the surveys. Next, please. This slide presents the age distribution of the respondents. Most participants are 19 years old at 51.9%, followed by 20 years old at 28.8%. This slide shows that most respondents are within the typical university student age range. Next. Measure. This is show the measure of the respondent. The largest group is GB at 38.5%, followed by IE and tourism management. Next.
So we also asked about how often they use AI chatbot for their learning, right? So as you can see, the most we can see is daily and several times a week, then occasionally, then the last one is rarely. So we can say that many people use it in daily life. Next slide, please. So, and we ask that which AI chatbot you usually use, and the respondent can choose more than one answer. The graphs show that ChatGPT is the most commonly used by respondents, and followed by Gemini with 22 users, and next is Microsoft Copilot, and the last one is Claude. Next slide, please. And we also ask that what do they usually use AI chatbot for, and also they can choose more than one answer. As you can see the graph, the most they use is expanding the concept and language translation, then exemplification, answer homework, and the last one is writing assistance. Next slide, please. And we ask that they use it in free version or paid subscription or maybe both. And the graph show that more of people using it on paid subscription and free version, and the last one is both. Okay, so many of them pay the money on the AI chatbot. Next slide, please.
Which AI chatbot do you usually use? This chart shows how students usually use AI chatbot. The most popular use is explaining concept with 61.5% of students choosing this option. Language translation is second most common use. Many students use AI for exam preparation and answering homework questions. However, writing assistant has the lower percentage. Overall, students mainly use AI chatbot to help them understand their lesson better. Next slide, please. AI chatbot easy to use. This chart presents student opinion about whether AI chatbot are easy to use. Most students give positive response. In fact, 51.5% strongly agree that AI chatbot are easy to use, while 26.9% agree. Only a small number of students disagree. This result show the most students feel comfortable using AI chatbot in their daily study. Next slide, please. This chart shows student opinion about AI explanation. Most students agree that AI chatbot provide clear and understandable explanation. The highest percentage was agree at 36.5, followed by strongly agree at 78.8. Only a few students thought the explanations were unclear. This suggests that AI chatbot can help students understand concepts more easily. Next slide, please.
This one is the slightly skirt, right? So we ask them to rate 1 to 5, which 5 is mean the best. First one is AI chatbot provide clear and understandable explanation. The mode is 4, and 5 is next to, and 3, then 2. The last one is 1. So many of them say that it provide clear and understand. The second question is AI chatbot are easy to use. The mode is 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, right? So I think they think that it's easy to use because the mode is 5, which means best. Next slide, please.
Okay, so most respondents rate 4 and 5 for learning efficiency and showing that AI chatbot helps students learn more effectively. And the next chart show many students believe AI chatbot improve their academic performance. Next slide, please. Okay, so this chart show that most respondents are satisfied with the accuracy of AI chatbot response. Next slide, please.
Let's look at the result regarding 6. More users gave a rating of 4 or 5, proving that AI significantly saves study time. For 7, we see a peak at level 4, showing that AI effectively boosts student motivation. Moving to next slide. 8. Show that AI helps students understand difficult topics more easily, with more score at level 4. Finally, for 9, the high score in the 4 to 5 rank reflect that users feel very confident using AI as a learning tool. Next.
For our discussion, our survey showed that AI chatbots have become an important learning tool for university students. Most students use them regularly, especially platforms like ChatGPT and Google Gemini, because they are easy to use and helpful for studying. Students mainly use AI to explain difficult topics, help with homework, translate language, and prepare for exams. Many students also say AI increased their confidence and motivation in learning. However, some students are concerned about the accuracy of AI information and becoming too dependent on AI tools. In conclusion, AI chatbots have a positive impact on learning, but they should be used as supportive tools alongside teachers and traditional learning methods. Next
And
slide, please.
all right, and to conclude our study, we found out that in conclusion, this study found that AI chatbots play an important role in supporting student learning at KHUIC. Most respondents reported that using AI chatbots regularly, especially for explaining concepts, for translation, for homework support, people really like using AI. And ChatGPT and Google Gemini were the most commonly used platforms among the students. The findings also indicate that students generally have positive attitudes towards AI chatbots, because these tools can help improve understanding, they can save time and increase learning efficiency. In addition, most people prefer using free AI services rather than paid ones, showing that accessibility is an important factor in AI adoption. Overall, and to top it all off, AI chatbots have become extremely valuable in education. Therefore, educators and institutions should consider integrating AI technology into learning environments appropriately and responsibly, not to replace teachers and facilities. Thank you very much.